Today we'll solve the rattling issue in the Hyundai Ioniq 5. I noticed a lot of people complained about the rattling and possible fixes. Myself, I experienced this problem and the solution is actually pretty simple. If you have a 3D printer, I will share the STL file in the video description below. If you don't have a 3D printer, it's no big deal. A double-sided foam tape should do the trick. Go ahead and open up your trunk. We're going to add a spacer here. So first remove these two screws and we'll do the same thing on the other side. To open these two, you'll need an Allen wrench. It was in super tight. I loosened it out already, so now I can unscrew easily. You can see I 3D printed these spacer, adding additional thickness. All you have to do is just put it in and put the bolts back. If you don't have a 3D printer, it's not a big deal. Just use 3M VHB tape. One layer of this is good enough. One layer is about the same depth as this 3D printed piece. Now let's put everything back together, tighten it down, and it should work. If you're standing in the back, this is the right-hand side of the vehicle. We got the spacer in already. Let's go to the left side. Here, I got the spacer in already. It's a little bit loose. Notice that the angle is pointing downwards. That's very important. Now, just tighten them all down. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.